Do you ever feel like your days just slip by and you want to make a positive changes, but it's hard to make them stick? You are not alone. After 50, we want to live with more intention, better energy, calmer mornings, deeper connection, but the old willpower approach just doesn't work. That's why I love the idea of wellness stacking, creating small, satisfying habits that build up to the life you actually enjoy living, whether you're single, looking for love, or in a relationship. And today I'll show you how you can do it using the 4 laws of behavior change from James Clear's powerful atomic habits formula. But first, why habits matter after 50. As we move in the second half of life, routines become even more important. They shape how we feel, how we think, or even show up in the relationships. I know for me, after my divorce and career change, I wanted to rebuild some of my daily habits to better fit my changed life. And what helped me most wasn't big dramatic shifts. It was small intentional changes that slowly gave me energy and hope again. Think of it this way: tiny daily habits are like tiny love notes to your future self. The 4 laws of behavior change. Number 1, make it obvious. The first step is to make your desired habit obvious. Our brain loves cues, so if you can see it, you can remember it. For example, if you want to start stretching in the morning, leave your yoga mat unrolled in the living room floor. If you want to drink more water, place a glass by your coffee machine every night. One of my favorites is habit stacking. Attach your new habit to something you already do. Like, after I finish my morning coffee, I'll write one thing I'm grateful for. The cue is coffee. That triggers the habit. Gratitude. It's simple, visible, and effective. Number 2, make it attractive. If a habit feels like punishment, you won't stick with it. But if it brings little pleasure, you'll want to repeat it. For instance, play your favorite music while you're preparing healthy food. Take your daily walk somewhere beautiful like a park or by the seaside. Light a candle before evening journaling to make it feel nurturing instead of like a task. When wellness habits feel good, they become something you look forward to. Number 3, make it easy. We often overcomplicate things. Instead of saying, I'll meditate for 20 minutes every morning, start with 1 or 2 minutes every day. Put your meditation cushion right by the bed. Keep your walking shoes near the door, or prepare your smoothie ingredients the night before. When you remove friction, success becomes inevitable. And remember, small is sustainable. What matters is consistency, not perfection. Number 4, make it satisfying. Our brains crave reward, so celebrate small wins. Cross off your habit on a calendar. Share your process with a friend. And having an accountability buddy can help up to 95% to get you better results. There have been few times when it's been time for my early morning workout, and without my partner, I would have hit snooze. We often overestimate what we can do in a year, but underestimate what we can do in 5 years. So I think it's important to have a system to follow your process. For instance, I have been working out in the gym consistently over a year, and I follow my progress. That helps me to see that I get the results I want. That's how habits turn into lifestyle, through small positive reinforcement and consistency. Wellness stacking isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right small things that make you feel alive and grounded. So choose one simple habit today. Make it obvious, make it attractive, and make it easy, and make it satisfying. You'll be amazed how quickly your days start to feel lighter and more intentional. If this resonated with you, please subscribe for more videos about self-growth, love, and thriving after 50. Let's build a joyful second half of life together. Bye until next time.